listen to Act to Max. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip-hop would take it this far.
It's me again, your girl, Courtney Marie. Welcome back to another video.
Are you going to tell them that Kingston is here?
I was getting to that. Y'all, my nephew finally arrived.
I don't know if you have mommy's eyes or daddy's smile. You'd be a beautiful child. I don't know if you will sing or play. Either way, you'll still be great. But there's one thing I am certain, I've known it from the start. One thing I know you'll have is Auntie's heart.
Yeah, we all gon' rule the world. Rule the world.
Yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yay.
Welcome to the Queen Show.
Yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yay.
If I want my vanity to go in my bedroom or if I want it to go in my walk-in closet, because it can fit in here. I don't know, we'll see when I start decorating.
Hey y'all, so I am currently about to film my Frodeo promo video. They sent me another wig, so I am going to film my video for TikTok and I'm just gonna vlog. So some stuff that I have that I'll probably be using to install this wig. I got some mousse to help lay down the baby hairs. I have my foundation powder just to tint the lace a little bit so it can match with my skin tone. And my wig cap, of course, adhesive spray, and I think that's it. So yeah, let's install this wig. Watch me get mini twists in under 5 minutes. Meet the Frodeo Hair Micro Twist Curly Wig. This is in the color Sunlit Auburn. It's an 11x4 closure HD lace with synthetic fibers and 4C edges. I used my foundation powder to tint the lace, and I applied some adhesive spray to secure my lace, which is optional because you can wear this wig glueless. I tied it down for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I added some concealer to enhance my parts, and that's it. This is a super easy install. One of the easiest wigs that I ever installed. The lace come pre-cut. It's super full, super natural. Everyone thinks I paid $200 for these. Like, wait, y'all thought this was my real hair? Now that's tea. Your new favorite wig is waiting. Tap the link below. It has textured edges, which I did not know. So I was over here trying my hardest to lay these edges down, and they just ain't gonna lay down, y'all. You know, when you get a new hair color, you have to get used to it. So I'm starting to get a little used to it. At first I was like, what did I do? But it's turning out okay. What y'all think?
So I am currently out. I'm at Lowe's. I wanted to come look at their closet systems. I have an idea in my head, but I don't know if it's going to work, honestly. But yeah, I'm just going here and take a look around. It's a lot of people here. So yeah, I'm gonna try to be in and out. And then I may go to my mom's house, my sister in Kingston. They're home from the hospital. They got home from the hospital yesterday. So I'm gonna just go there to see them, see how everything's going. Cause you know I'm rich auntie. But yeah, that's the plan for today. I brought this Closet Made, this shelf to go in my closet. We're gonna take the wire shelves down and I'm gonna just put that in that space. Hopefully it fits, hopefully it turns out good. I'm gonna drop this off at the house. My man, he's already taken down the wire shelves, and I guess he's gonna go start putting that together. So once we get back home, we should see if it's up, or we should see the progress. But I'm gonna just drop it off and then I'm gonna go out. And my sister texted me talking about, can you go pick up my medicine? Girl, but nah, I'll go pick up her medicine. My sister is about to have so much on her hands, and I've been thinking about small ways I can make her life a little easier, especially during those first few weeks. And one thing that kept coming to mind was a baby cart. A simple little setup with diapers, wipes, clothes, and all the essentials in one place. It might not seem like a big thing, but I feel like it's one of those everyday items that can make a huge difference. I just wanted to do something thoughtful, something that says, hey, I've got you, without needing to be asked.
Hey y'all, it is the next day. I know I look crazy. I've been up this morning working on my closet. I don't think I checked in yesterday when I got back home, but my man did end up putting the thing together. So he put this together last night. The rods are supposed to go here on the side to the wall. I might put one down here to the side to the wall, and then one's gonna go on that side. We didn't do it last night because we still had the wire shelves up. I still had my clothes hanged up. So I woke up this morning, took my clothes down, I took the wire shelves down, and now I'm in the process of filling the holes up. So once these holes fill up, we'll just paint over it, and then we'll add the rods and I can hang my clothes back up. But yeah, y'all, this is the progress. This wire rack, I just put these cubes up there. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this wire rack up or take it out and just add like a shelf, like a wood shelf. I think that would just look better. And also, even though that wire rack is anchored in the wall, I don't know, I still be scared that it's just too much weight. But it's anchored and it's sturdy, but yeah, that's just me. I be overthinking and I be worrying a lot. But yeah, this is the progress so far. I moved my shoe racks over here in this corner, and now we just have to fill all the holes on the wall and paint over them. And I do work tonight, y'all, so to be honest, I'm about to just stop right here and go lay down because I work tonight and I work tomorrow. So hopefully my man can finish this process when he gets home from work. This is just gonna be a week project at this point. I'm about to go lay down and watch Baddies and just wait until 4:30 so I can get on the road and head to work. So I will see y'all when I see y'all. Hey y'all. I probably look exactly how I looked the last time y'all seen me. However, today is Wednesday. I am off work today. Yesterday, I just slept all day. And yeah, that's all I did. I slept all day while my man worked on my closet. And today, he's at work. The closet is pretty much done. I just have to hang my clothes up and put on my clothes, organize them and whatnot, and then organize like my vanity situation. But let me show y'all how my closet is looking. So no more wire shelves, well, besides this one, but I love it. I love how it came out. It's a lot more spacious in here, I feel. Once I put my clothes in, though, it might not be, but I do have some ideas of things that I want to put in here and how I want to decorate it and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to follow along to see what I do. The plan today, y'all, is to get my closet in order. I do want to go out and try to get some decor or whatever for my closet as well. I do want to go to the grocery store, see if I can get just a little bit of groceries to help last me for the rest of this week. So when I go to work, I'll have my lunch, like something to eat, and I don't have to buy anything. What else? Oh, and to film a video for my a wig promo video. So that's the plan today. I probably won't get all of that done today, y'all, honestly, but it is early. It's currently like 9 in the morning, so I'm just about to get started on this closet, put my clothes in this closet, and we'll go from there. Alright, y'all, so I got my jackets and everything hanged, my dresses hanged. I put my graphic tees in this first drawer. I still have more that just need to be washed, but this is how we're looking so far, nice and organized. In the second drawer, I don't know what I'm putting yet, but this is how we're looking so far, y'all. I'm taking a break. I don't know if I want to go to Lowe's real quick. I want to change the handles to just match the vibe of my closet, which is like an antique brass gold type of vibe. So I might change those out, but yeah, this is how we're looking so far, y'all. Not even gonna lie to you, it took like 5 minutes to put this wig on, and it's just so natural, glueless, so easy. All right, y'all, I'm about to go. So I went to Lowe's, which was a waste of time. They did not have the cabinet pulls that would match my other pulls. Like, they didn't have any brass ones, so I'm gonna just try to order some off Amazon. I just got out of Hobby Lobby. I got quite a few things from there, so now I guess I'm about to head to Michael's. I still want to go to Michael's and the grocery store. I need to go grocery shopping, so that's the plan, and then hopefully I can make it home at a decent time. Right now it is 1 o'clock. Okay, y'all, so I added my jewelry pieces. I am in love with it. I think it's coming along perfectly. I'm gonna put my Christian Marie tennis necklace on my necklace stand. I have not worn it yet, y'all, but it is like really pretty. I just haven't been anywhere to wear it. Period. I look like I got money, honey. Okay. Don't let it fool you. Don't let it fool you.
Tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring no silly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own condo and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships.
Okay, y'all, so I just got done filming my install video. I like this wig. It's cute. It's different. Something I never had before. Okay, OQ hair. This is my first time trying the brand, and so far so good. I was a little reluctant, I'm not gonna lie, because a lot of the reviews on TikTok wasn't great. Some were great, some weren't great. But I wanted to try for myself just to see, and so far so good. We'll see how this wig does and how long it lasts. But this is a 20-inch Afro curly. I don't know, I have to look and see what they sent me, y'all. But it is completely glueless. I just combed it and wet it with water and conditioner, and this is how we're looking. I like it. I think it fits me. The only thing is my big old forehead, but this is the wig. So I'm gonna take a couple pictures, then I'm gonna get in the bed, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all.
Come on, you change your diaper. I'll change your diaper.
Effects include increased ketones and blood or urine infection between and around the.
You know how to change diapers?
May be fatal. Severe allergic reactions, dehydration, urinary.
You want to learn?
Genital yeast infections and men
No.
and low blood sugar. Stop taking and tell your doctor right away. It's
Yeah, I just woke up. It's like 6 o'clock. I had ordered like a sunglasses holder to put like on my closet shelf, and then I just ordered like some decor. It's supposed to be like books, but it's really cardboard, because who's about to pay all that money for a Louis Vuitton book? Who about to pay all that money for a Cartier book? Who about to pay all that money for a Hermes book when I'm not even going to read it? I'm not even going to read it. So I ordered some decorative looking books, but really they're cardboard, off Amazon, and I'm gonna place them on my shelf too. So y'all, these are the books. Like, can you even tell? So y'all, it's cardboard. Like, it's literally cardboard. About to put my boxes together. I got 2 more I gotta put together, but these ones are done.
on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking, 'cause I depend on me. If I wanted the watch I'm wearing, the house I live in, the car I'm driving, I depend on me. I depend on me. All the women independent, throw your hands up at me. All the honeys making money, throw your hands up at me. All the mamas crossing dollars, throw your hands up at me. All the ladies choosing family, throw your hands up at me.
Created my shelf. So bottom layer, I have 2 of the cardboard thingies and then my KLE mini perfumes. Y'all, should I get another one of these? Because I do have more glasses. So should I just put another one here and have 2 here? I don't know, I'm gonna think about it, but I just put the books there for now. Got my jewelry and then my hats at the top. I honestly loved how it came out. Like, it's giving. It's really giving. So I just need to organize the bottom. I still got boxes here, y'all, of like purses and clothes, but everything is coming together nicely. I'm gonna have to get some more hangers because I do have more clothes to hang, but this is how it looks for now. And I also want to get shelves to go on the top, so I can just store more stuff up there.